Based on Week 2 IIT index calculations, the pharmaceutical product sector in the United Kingdom and USA needs greater integration. The IIT index for the USA is very strong, close to unity, indicating that distinct commodity trade between the UK and USA is widespread and well structured. However, the idea is that both countries benefit from economies of scale and that exchanging between each other can increase returns to scale. A post-Brexit FTA with USA would definitely help both nations, which could save the UK $500 million in paying taxes on exports to the US. For example, data show that the machinery sector IIT index score for the UK and USA is 0.75, compared to 0.23 in the UK and China. These figures endorse the concept that intra-industry trade is more likely to occur between countries with similar-sized industrial economies. Husted and Melvin support the theory by stating the more similar two countries are in terms of this factor endowments, the greater the likelihood that trade between them will be intra-industry trade. The higher IIT index value between the UK and US indicates a more balanced and integrated machinery and electrical component exchange. Trade agreements are really crucial to acknowledge the importance of a higher IIT index value between these two countries after Brexit. A potential trade agreement between the US and the UK may permit both countries to directly benefit from trade in an imperfect economy, as well as continuous improvement from increasing in returns to scale in a wide range of industries. Breck addresses the symbolic significance of a trade deal between the UK and US. The author highlights the challenges that the UK may face in achieving a UK-US trade agreement. On the other hand, based on analysis of the IIT index in China and the UK, much greater integration between the two countries is necessary. When the UK voted to leave the EU, there has been much speculations about the need for a China-UK free trade deal. Many Brexit supporters claim that the UK regained capacity to strike trade deals with other partners, especially China, given its economic size, will be a huge advantage. However, a China-UK FTA will be not as simple or as clearly beneficial as Brexit supporters believe. Since the UK has to reach a clear agreement with the EU before China, the UK has signed a deal with Japan, the first that differentiated from an existing EU deal. In 2019, the total amount of UK-Japan trade, imports and exports reached £31.6 billion, accounting for 2% of total UK trade. On 31st of January, the UK government announced it would apply to join a free trade area with 11 Asia and Pacific nations, named the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership. Australia, Canada, Japan and New Zealand are currently members. Separately, the British government is in trade negotiations with Australia and New Zealand. According to Husted and Melvin, the closer the value of this index, the closer those countries are together, and thus they can start thinking about possibly creating free trade zones, which could be a significant improvement in each country's income and citizens' welfare.